Hey guys, it's Raquel from Bag Beauty, and today in the studio we have Tiana, and today she's going to help me demonstrate how to do a simple, quick and easy beach wave. Okay, first things first, Tiana is actually wearing Bellami Lilly Ghalichi clip-ins. You can click below, we'll have a link of her exact detail of the color and style that she wears. So you want to clip up 3/4 of the hair. She's got a lot, so I'm gonna do 4 sections. So you want to start with your first or bottom layer, and I'm using the Sebastian Shaper Zero Gravity Hairspray. I really like this product because it's very lightweight and it's not going to be sticky or feel clumpy, and she can run her fingers through it for the beachiest of the waves all day. For the curling iron, I'm using the 1.5 inch ion curling iron for really loose, barely there waves. I really like the tousled look, and this is gonna get you there. So I really like to just curl it once, maybe 1.5 times around the middle section of the hair, especially for your bottom layer. You can tease the crap out of it. It doesn't have to look perfect. It doesn't have to look cute because no one's gonna see it anyway. So tease it to your heart's desire, big, not so big. It's up to you. I like it big. So I like to tease it a lot to create a base for the rest of the hair. It's gonna lay perfectly on there and just be a big lion's mane. So I'm gonna repeat this process a few more times. Each one of my sections is going to be about 1.5 inches because I like to match my sectioning to my barrel so I can obtain the results that we're going for, which is that really loose beach wave. So the bigger the barrel, the looser the wave. That's a great thing to always keep in mind. That's why I'm opting for the larger barrel as opposed to maybe a 1-inch barrel is going to give you a tighter curl or wave. Okay, so these last few sections I'm gonna be curling a little bit more tight just because it's gonna be the top layer, which is the layer that you're gonna see the most of. Spraying more of this shaping spray, which I really love. It's gonna help give you the definition and the detail of the waves, which is what everybody loves to see in pictures, and it's hard to keep that look without product. I'm finishing this look off today with the Ouai Rose Hair and Body Oil. I really like this product because it's moisturizing, lightweight. It really helps polish this look off, and it smells amazing. Thank you for watching. This was our first video. Woohoo! So I'm glad you guys liked it. Hopefully, make comments, and we will see you next time.